Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
US power consumption was on track to rise to record highs in 2022 and 2023 as the economy grows, the US Energy Information Administration said in its short-term energy outlook. The Financial Stability Board, which includes central bankers and treasury officials from G20 countries, is working on bringing global cryptocurrency regulations to the industry by October. Such regulations have become a necessity due to the recent collapse of the cryptocurrency market, which led to the loss of billions of dollars. The Bank of England's concerns about UK growth will soon be realised, as the upcoming UK GDP report is expected to show no growth for the 3 months through May. The June US inflation rate report will give the ammunition the Federal Reserve needs to justify another rate hike later this month. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.6% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. Tesla shares dropped 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The US Consumer Price Index core will be released at 12:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.